compensation, opposite change, round and adjust, day 6. All right, kids, today we are just going to have a lot of fun with compensation. This is one of my favorite strategies, and it's because we get to just play with numbers. So we are actually going to solve this problem 4 different ways. All right, as I look at this, 85 plus 88, I can easily add 2 to the bottom number, which means I need to subtract 2 from the top number. So I have 90, and then I have 83 up there for a total of 173. Now, here's where we're going to start doing some rounding and adjusting. I'm actually going to add both of the partners. Do you see that? I put a plus sign on both of them, and I took them both to zeros. So now I have 180. But here's where I need to adjust. I added 5, and that 5 that I added didn't exist anywhere. I just gave it to both numbers to get it to the next 10. So now I need to subtract both of those. Now I'm adjusting. So I added a 5 and a 2. Now I need to subtract that 7. Well, 180 minus 7 is the partner, which is 173. Let's try in the next one. All right, this time I'm going to add the partner to 100. So I'm adding 12, and I will subtract 12. So I have my 100 down here because I made it go to the next 100. And then 85 minus 12 equals 73. So 73 plus 100 equals 173. Notice I'm getting the same answer on every one. All right, this time I'm going to do what I did up here. I'm going to take both problems to the next 100. I'm just going to say, you know what? Have your partner go to 100, and I will adjust you or fix you later. Because now I have 200. But again, where did this 15 come from? And where did this 12 come from? Actually, it just came because I wanted to give it to him. So now I need to get rid of it. I need to subtract that 27. Up until now, I've been taking it from the other number, because if I give it here, I have to take it here. Well, on these two, I just made it go to the next tens or next hundreds. So now at the end, I have to subtract them. 200 minus 27. Well, if you know your partners really well, you know 27's partner is 73. Great. Let's try another one like that. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to add 1 and subtract 1, because I can't just add it. So 80 plus 67 equals 147. You should be really good at that now. But what would happen if I gave them both the partner? So plus 1 and plus 2. So 79 plus 1 equals 80. 68 plus 2 is 70. I have 150. But now, again, where did this plus 2 and plus 1 come from? I can't just add numbers unless at the end I adjust and take the compensation out of my answer. So 150 minus 3, well, 3's partner is 47 to 50, so 147. Now let's try this over here to the next 100. So 79 plus 21 and 68 minus 21. 79 plus 21 is a 100 because I picked it to be the partner. 68 minus 21 is 47. So 100 plus 47. Now let's do what I did up there, only take it to the 100. 79 plus 21 and 68 plus 32. Notice I picked partners to 100. So I now have 200, but I can't just leave all that extra that I've added. So I now have to subtract that. So 21 plus 32 is 53. 53's partner is 47. So 147. I'm kind of just playing around with numbers today, kids, just to show you. Let's try a couple 3 digits. Now, if I take the partner to 100, I'm going to add 31, which means I need to subtract 31. My top number is 200. 257 minus 31 is 226. So I add and get 426. Now remember, if you're not really good at partners to 100, you could have compensated twice. You could have first added 1 and then added 30. This one, I'm going to do what I did on the last slide. I'm going to take both numbers to the next 100. So 69's partner is 31. 57's partner is 43. So that's going to go to 200. This will go to 300. So I get 500. But again, on this problem, I just added the partners. It doesn't really exist. So now I need to subtract those. So I need to subtract a 74. Well, who is 74's partner? 26. And I took it from the 500. So 426. We're just kind of playing around with our number sense today. Let's try one more. All right, I'm going to add the partner to 100. Subtract the partner to 100. Again, if you don't know your partners, you could have added 1 and then added 20 and done a double compensation. 485 minus 21 is 464 for a total of 964. Let's play with this one now. Let's add the 21 and add the 15, which is both of their partners. This is now 500, and that's now 500. We have 500 plus 500 equals 1,000. But again, this 21 doesn't exist. I just added it to make it easier to get it to the next 100. So I need to subtract it. So 21 plus 15 is minus 36. So 36's partner is 64. Kids, I actually really love this way. It makes it really easy, but you do have to know your partners, and you have to make sure that at the end you are adjusting. It's called rounding and adjusting, but it's just like compensating. It's just that we do it at the end to make it up for it. Go ahead and play around with this. It is a lot of fun. I think you will love it.